Good morning, everybody. We have some new incoming vehicles that just came in this morning. It's a 2019 Yukon Denali. We got a 2020 Accord Sport. Got a 2020 Lexus UX. Got a 2019 Ram 1500 limited model. We got a 2019 Honda CR-V. Let's go down the line. This is a Mercedes-Benz C43 2021. We got a 2020 Honda Odyssey Elite model. And let me see what we got up top. That's an Audi A4 2021. These will all be on the website soon. If you like our content, hit the subscribe button for the most recent inventory and like the video. We'll continue producing these videos to assist our customers. Thank you for watching.